Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. This video I'm going to share Mini Biscoff Cheesecake. These have a perfectly creamy texture and richness filled with that cozy Biscoff flavor. This miniature cheesecake require no cooking, so all you need is a bowl to mix in and a muffin pan to set them in. For this recipe, I am using 1 pack of Biscoff biscuits. Place them in the food processor and crush them into fine crumbs. Melt the 4 tablespoons butter in a small saucepan. Once the butter is melted, you can pour it over the crushed Biscoff biscuits and stir it until everything well combined. You can make 12 Biscoff mini cheesecake and line them with muffin liner. Spoon the buttery Biscoff crumbs into the muffin trays, filling them just under halfway full. Using a spoon or bottom of a small cup, firmly press the crumbs into the holes. This will help the base to compact together and make it less likely to crumble. Place it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Heavy cream 200 ml, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Using a hand mixer, you can whip the double cream until the soft peak appears. Once it gets the soft peaks, you can turn it off and keep it aside. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. Using a hand mixer, you can beat the cream cheese until creamy. Then you can add Biscoff spread and continue to beat until the mixture is soft, smooth and creamy. Finally, you can fold the cream into the Biscoff cheesecake mixture until well incorporated. Spoon the cheesecake mixture on top of the chilled base. Using a spoon or spatula, you can smoothen the top as best as you can. Place the tin in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. Place 30 minutes in the freezer for a better look. Once it's ready, you can drizzle each cheesecake with the warm Biscoff spread. Sprinkle with the crushed biscuits and top it with a piece of Biscoff biscuit. Keep it in the refrigerator for 30 more minutes. When you are ready to serve the cheesecake, you can remove them from the fridge and lightly run a small knife around them to release them from the tins. This easy no-bake mini Biscoff cheesecake recipe makes 12, so they are perfect for a party or any special occasion. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.